Hi, everyone. I'm Max, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite features on BriefMax.ai, the YouTube Comment Analyzer. If you're a content creator, marketer, researcher, or just someone who's curious about what people are really saying in the comments section, this tool is going to save you hours of scrolling. Instead of reading through hundreds or even thousands of comments, BriefMax uses AI to analyze them all at once and give you a complete community pulse report with sentiment scores, trending topics, notable quotes, and audience insights. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. Step 1. Navigate to the Comment Analyzer. Head over to BriefMax.ai. You'll see our content tabs near the top of the page: YouTube, Comment Analyzer, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Click on Comment Analyzer. Step 2. Grab your YouTube link. Go to the YouTube video whose comments you want to analyze. It can be any public video, your own content, a competitor's video, a trending video in your niche, whatever you want. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar. It'll look something like youtube.com/watch?v equals, followed by a video ID. Short links like youtube.b also work. Step 3. Paste and analyze. Paste that link into the input box on BriefMax and hit the Analyze Comments button. BriefMax will now fetch the comments from that video and send them through our AI engine. Depending on your subscription tier, we'll analyze anywhere from 50 comments on the free plan up to 500 comments on Elite and Max plans. So the more comments we analyze, the richer your insights will be. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Step 4. Explore your community pulse report. Once the analysis is complete, you'll be taken to your full community pulse report. Here's what you'll see. Video overview. At the top, you'll see the video title, channel name, view count, total comment count, and a thumbnail. There's also a direct link to watch the video on YouTube. Sentiment score. This is a number from 0 to 100 that represents the overall mood of the comment section. You'll also see a label like mostly positive, mixed, or mostly negative, along with a percentage breakdown showing how many comments were positive, neutral, and negative. Audience profile. This is a written summary of who's actually commenting. BriefMax identifies the type of audience engaging with the video. Are they professionals, students, fans, critics? This is incredibly useful for content creators and marketers trying to understand their community. Top topics. This section breaks down the main themes people are talking about. Each topic shows how many times it was mentioned, whether the sentiment around it is positive, negative, or mixed, and a brief summary of what people are saying. You might see 5 or 6 distinct topics, giving you a clear picture of what resonated most. Notable quotes. BriefMax picks out the standout comments, the ones with the most likes, the most thought-provoking takes, or the ones that best represent the community's voice. Each quote shows the commenter's name, how many likes it received, and a note explaining why it was selected. Community insights. This is the big picture summary. It ties everything together: the overall tone, recurring themes, what the audience cares about, and any patterns worth noting. Think of it as the executive summary of the entire comment section. Step 5. Copy or export your report. Once your report is ready, you have a couple of options. You can click Copy Report to copy the entire analysis as formatted text, perfect for pasting into a document, email, or Slack message. Pro subscribers and above can also click Export to download the report as a PDF. Great for client presentations, content reviews, or team meetings. Who is this for? Content creators who want to understand how their audience is reacting to their videos. Marketers running competitor analysis or brand monitoring. Researchers studying public opinion on trending topics. Or anyone who's just curious about what thousands of people think about a video without reading every single comment. Subscription tiers. On the free plan, you can analyze up to 50 comments per video. Pro and Legacy Pro users get up to 100 comments. And on Elite, Max, and Lifetime plans, you get up to 500 comments analyzed per video, which gives you a much deeper and more accurate picture. That's the YouTube Comment Analyzer on BriefMax.ai. No more endless scrolling through comment sections. Let AI do the heavy lifting and get the insights that matter in seconds. Try it out at BriefMax.ai, and if you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Remember to keep it brief. See you in the next one.